Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, umphumelelo benomusa bazenzela umathanda yazini. Cause what does umusa mean when he said ukuthi umayeni didn't even know that umphumelelo is going to pay ilobola? Now, there's no possible way Umusa can explain himself out of this because he's the one who was paying the lobola for or on behalf of Mpumelelo. So you're telling me, Uguti, you're going to leave that conversation to your son, and though you are the one paying for it or paying for the lobola, you're not even going to think of having the conversation with your wife. Now, I'm thinking the way Umusa does things, that the way things went down is that he probably was saying something in passing to Umayeni, thinking about this whole lobola thing, thinking that Mpumelelo already had a conversation with Umayeni, and that's how Umayeni found out about the whole thing. But now do you see when Umayeni starts speaking about Mpumelelo fanela no babwake, and umusa nayo uthanda uzenzela umathanda ukuthi she's not a crazy woman. I really hope as this show is playing on TV that Utireno is watching carefully. You see this position that Umayeni is in. Utireno, if she's not careful, she's going to wake up and be in the same position. Number one, being the one who first came in the guy's life, but the guy goes and marries someone else first. Number two, Mpumelelo will be teaching Usingabako to do these very things. So you are just a bystander. Your son and your husband go ahead and do and make their own decisions without even thinking of consulting you. And then afterwards, when Mebeka they expect Umayeni to welcome Amahle nje. Yes, amahle, but guys, hi bonjalo. Hi shame abambon Umayeni. If I was Umayeni, me myself, benzomjigiso lo makoti, she was not gonna stay in my house. I was gonna say no, let's go umkwatizo somewhere else and tell Ramashruti it's nothing personal, because what do they mean? Now when they done, Umayeni must come in and save the day and act like a good mama Zala and whatnot. Hi guys. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.